If you're wondering how you can boost your online income, then you've come to the right place. Welcome to Unlocking the Digital Vault. In this presentation, we will explore 2 secrets that can significantly boost your online income. Get ready to transform your digital presence and discover innovative strategies that will help you achieve your financial goals. To maximize your earnings, it's crucial to diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source can be risky. Explore multiple avenues like affiliate marketing, digital products, and online courses. This strategy not only enhances your revenue but also provides stability. Social media is a powerful tool to boost your online income. By effectively using platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, you can reach a broader audience. Engage with your followers and create compelling content that drives traffic to your sales funnels. In conclusion, unlocking your digital income potential requires strategic planning and consistent effort. By implementing the secrets of diversifying income streams and leveraging social media, you can pave your way to financial success. Start today and watch your online income soar.